another video. Today we have new tools at Harbor Freight. Yes, we got new ratchets, Hercules, a lot of new tools from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Guys, we got new tools dropping in at Harbor Freight, professional level, ratchets, angle grinders, everything. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So down to the point, let's start with this angle grinder. So we got a corded 4.5 to 6 inch 13 amp angle grinder with the trigger grip. As you guys see, it does have a trigger grip right there. You got a 6 inch and a 4.5 blade cover there for $99.99. It's definitely a great deal. Let's start with the first one. I'm so glad we got these, and I need a ratchet. I was thinking of buying the competitor, you know, the red brand, but you know what, after seeing these prices, I think I'm gonna actually go for these guys. I don't know, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about these new ratchets, if they're gonna be comparable to the Milwaukee's. You know, obviously they're shooting, you know, straight up to them by, you know, releasing tools like this, professional level tools. Alright, so we got a Hercules 12 volt lithium cordless, a 1/4 inch ratchet tool, only $99, guys. That's a great deal there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have coupons. You know what, guys, you save $25 if you buy a battery, a charger, and the tool. So you're saving money right there just off the bat. This is a great deal, guys. You know, that's pretty much what they're saying, $25 off if you buy all these three. I'm probably gonna end up buying something like this for the channel, so we can have something like this on the channel. Because I had the Ryobi, and the Ryobi wasn't nearly as nice as this. Look at the battery; it's not nice, and I mean, it's not a round battery, but still, it's pretty good size. It's a really small, compact battery. Look at the grip on this thing. You got a little paddle switch, or, you know, grip on the bottom, and then it looks like a nice black finish there on the top. Yeah, I was just waiting for something like this. This is really nice. And then you got the, you know, the selector there if you want to go forward and reverse. Same thing with there, and that's an example of somebody using it. All right, so let's go down to the next one. This one's the 1/4, so this was the smaller one. All right, the next one down, this one's the 3/8, so definitely check it out. Oh, this one looks nice too. Well, they all look the same, but you know, they got all sorts of different ones. So they got, this is 3/8 impact ratchets, or cordless ratchet, my bad, not impact. 40 pounds of max torque, the power and speed of a pneumatic ratchet, reinforced steel housing for added durability and strong cranking force, all metal gearing for long tool life, variable speed paddle trigger. You got the compact slim profiles, a built-in LED light, oversized forward and reverse switch, 400 pounds of max torque, 40 feet, yeah, 400 pounds of force of torque. That's it. That's really good right there. Of max torque, and 475 or 275 RPM. It says rubberized overmold grip. Tool only. Battery and charger sold separately. You got let's see here, overall length 10 3/4. Net weight 1.8 pounds. Speed 0 to 75 RPM, and obviously torque 40 pounds of torque. Let's say this is the 3/8, $99.99. All right, this is one of the tools I would think this is more useful. The long neck, the long reach, extended reach, however you want to call it. You know, this is great for a small, compact area, especially for the newer vehicles that you don't have any space. So this is the perfect tool for that. So you got the 12 volt lithium cordless, a 1/4 inch extended reach ratchet tool, only $119.99. I'm pretty sure it has the same My bad, sorry. The same specifications. That's the way it looks on the side. That's the way it looks right there. Oh yeah, see, this is what I was telling you guys about having a ratchet, you know, a compact ratchet with the long neck, or you know, the long extended, because when you're working on something like this, I mean, your hand barely fits in there. This tool obviously is too fat. This part is even too fat to fit in there. So this is a must for all mechanics. If you guys do DIY, you know, at this price, you know, you're pretty much good for there. You know, that's really a great deal there. Definitely check them out. There's a lot of great new tools. Definitely check them out. Look at the way it goes all the way in there, and you don't have any problems. You know, taking those nuts and bolts out for $119. I think that's a great deal. Check this out. We got the 3/8. This is a 3/8 extended reach ratchet tool, only $119. Yeah, still a smoking deal. Not a smoking deal, but I think it's a really great deal that Harbor Freight's competing up with the big boys, stepping up. You know, they're getting their pretty much their other tools, you know, competing with the Milwaukees and the DeWalts and all that. That's one great thing about step up from Harbor Freight. You got the variable speed precision crafting rotary tool from Bauer. This is $29.99. There's another great little device here. You can use it as an engraver there, or you know, pretty much engraving. It's a rotary tool. You can clean the grills and stuff like that. So $29.99. You got the Hercules bandsaw blade, a 2-pack, 44 by 7/8 by half an inch, 10 to 14 TPI bimetal bandsaw. All right, the next one is the Warrior. We already seen this one, I believe. This is the 10-inch 15-amp table saw from Warrior. This is the beginner saw. This is a really basic. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have coupons and sales for this thing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like on the maybe 120s, 110s or something somewhere in there. Great for the DIY. I'm glad the Harbor Freight's working on it. Anyways, I believe we are done. Yep, we are done. Because last video we did this one, the oscillating tool. But yeah, guys, I just want to share this with you guys. Harbor Freight, it is competing with the big boys. Now they're throwing them directly into the mechanic, to the professional level tools. So don't forget to help out the channel. And also big shout out to Josh, my man. He's the one that helped me out. I almost forgot about it. So he's the one that helped me out. You know, he's the one that pointed out these tools are coming out. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.